Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how to pin drop, which is also known as the Kneedrop. So this move is more of an advanced type of move, but with these quick steps it should be a bit easier for you so that you can learn it and learn to practice it. Once you practice, it's all repetition and you'll get the hang of it. So let me just break down the move for you quickly. So what you do is you pick your strongest leg up and you place the foot behind the other leg, just behind the kneecap. And from here, you drop down, so now that the foot touches the ground. And while you do that, this other leg turns to the side. And the next step from here is to come back up and twist yourself around completely, like this. While practicing this move, make sure that the foot you pick up and put behind the leg and bring to the ground can be able to withstand your body weight, and you can hold it down while crouching, like this. So just practice in this position. Try to practice balancing when holding your feet up and coming towards the ground with the foot. Try and play around with that a bit. Once you can hold your body weight with that foot, it will be easy for you to hold it and come up. Play around with it. Sort of play around with that foot to hold your body weight, you know?
Niggas attached, name a nigga with the pack, name a nigga with the sack, I live my like a snack, eat it up, gold on my nickel blank, bend no change, rib shack, eat it up, what the plug, get me tag, sit the lean.